everybody? It's your boy Kuntryboy is out doing some spark delivery. So, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kuntryboy coming at you with a new video. We're just talking about some stuff that the dogs out. We're outside enjoying the weather. It's nice out, about 65 degrees out around that time, around that frame. Just got done doing some roadie delivery, and also cashing in the first part of the Anton Daniels Millionaire Morning Show. It's a great YouTuber, great content, great. Make sure you join his Patreon. So did some spark, did some roadie today, because my job's in the shutdown, got no pay. So, you know, I'm currently just doing some delivery work, trying to make some extra money. On top of the apps I do, the receipt apps, I do get paid the rent off that game. And then also I do upside for the gas app for my gas. And I haven't done much of DoorDash in a long time, because the last time I did DoorDash, I wasn't making enough off of that. I know they have a thing on there where you can get paid by the hour and stuff, but just haven't done it yet. And I looked at my stock portfolio today. It's up. Right now, working on, like I said, it's working on paying off debt. And of course, is listening to different podcasts and financial stuff on being bare with money. I mean, that's just the whole thing about it, though. And I know a lot of stuff is going on out there about the food stamps and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, I mean, what kind of legacy do you want to leave to your kids? I mean, you want your kids to do better than you. And I saw a video today where there was a lady that was been on food stamps for 20 years and stuff. And it's like, if that was me, I wouldn't want to be on food stamps for 20 years. I mean, I want to be able to better myself. And there's still opportunities out there for you to make money. And like I said, there are millionaires are made every day. I mean, with the technology, with AI, with these phones, you can do so much stuff. You just got to apply yourself. You know, instead of you going out and buying a $5-6 coffee from Starbucks, take that $5 or $6, pay your debt down, or either go and invest it. And do stuff like that. Just be smarter. Live below your means. You don't need an $800 car payment. You don't need a $700 car payment. Save money and buy your car in full. And then invest that money into assets instead of things that go down in value. That's what I'm doing. I'm investing in assets. I invest in my IRA, my 401k, you know, in the process of trying to get debt paid off. That was one of the biggest regrets, is getting into debt. And I should listen to my parents. My dad told me never get into debt. I got into debt. And so, you know, I got me a little emergency fund right now. But I shouldn't have to, if I was a lot smarter with my money, I wouldn't have to do tons of gig work just to make it, you know. So it's just a process. There's so much out there that you can do to better yourself and become more financially independent and more financially smarter. If I had to rely on the government. I mean, I saw another video today where there's a guy in there talking about he's never going to get off food stamps, and the taxpayers are his employees, and we're supposed to take care of him and his food stamps and his kids. No. That program is for people that are disabled, senior citizens, and people that need a little help. Not for you to base your whole life on it. It's not. Like the times when I lost my job and I needed help with food stamps, I wasn't able to get them. Because I was on unemployment. I made $14 too much, or made a little too much. I wasn't trying to get on there forever. Just not to get on there for a month or two to hold me over until I find something else. But at the end of the day is you have got to keep on grinding. Stop relying on everyone else. And stop with this victim mentality that woe me this. A lot of people out there start off from the ground and work their way up. So it's up to you. Do you want to be a scum of the earth, or you want to actually elevate yourself to another level? You know, to not only prove to yourself that you can do it, but also prove to others that you don't need anyone to help you out. You can do this on your own. Always promote yourself. I'm always trying to do something to monetize yourself. I went to had delivery today for a business, and I told them that they were needing kind of photography work, you know, to let me know, 'cause I do photography. And I gave them my business card. So they went. So that's pretty much really about it. I mean, there's so much ways out there that you can do to, you know, get better. I'm continuing to get better at this YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, and support the channel. And I'm always gonna find out ways to make more money. And like another thing I do too on these apps that I use, a lot of times, 1 month, I take all the money I made off of it and put it in the stock market. And the other month, I take all the money from it, I put it in it and pay off debt. And I go back and forth, back and forth. That way I'm always investing. Because one of my goals is to have some commercial real estate or have some some residential real estate out there to make passive income. Somewhat passive, because the rental properties, it's passive, but it's not passive. But I want to be able to have it to a point where I can pay for it and pay for it in cash. Never about do no more loans, none of that stuff. Because when you have loans, you're a slave to a lender. So at the end of the day, everybody, be smarter. There's a lot of resources out there to make money, to do better, and invest in yourself. Peace.